YouTube, welcome back to another video, and today it is Lucy the Bird part 2. Ah, nibbling on my ear. Don't nibble on my ear. No. She bit me yesterday, Friday, and you see that red spot right there? That's what she did to me. Bad bird. But yeah, Lucy, she's chilling on my shoulder. Like she always does in these videos, and then sometimes crawls onto me. Yeah, she doesn't even know what the camera is, obviously. I mean, birds are smart, but I guess they're not that smart. But yeah, so, how'd you guys' weekend? Mine was cute. We got moved to new house, and yeah. So that's cool. Went down around my shoulder. So on the shoulder now. No, sorry. But yeah, so this is Lucette the Bird. And I guess I'll see you later. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.